Hello friends, in this video I want to show you how you get rid of wasps from your home, garden and your farmhouse. Most wasps sitting on their incredibly painful, especially if they have surprised you. Wasps can sting multiple times because they don't lose their stingles with their sting. But you don't need to still worry about this. This remedy will help you how to remove or get rid of wasps from your houses. To make this remedy, we will need few ingredients such as apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is very useful to remove wasps from your home. One excellent way to get rid of wasps is the vinegar. Wasps can easily be restricted by the strong over scent of vinegar. Baking soda. Baking soda is also useful ingredient in this remedy. Baking soda is versatile ingredient that get rid of wasps from your houses. Dish soap. Soap can kill wasps and other insects because they have sulfurs and substances that initially make your water softly. Now we just make this remedy. Simply we just add 1.5 cup of apple cider vinegar into the bowl. Now we just add 1 teaspoon of baking soda into the mixture. In the last, we just add 1 teaspoon of dish soap into the mixture. Now mix it well. And the remedy is ready to use.